Flowering after pollination produces fruit. So that's everything our industry, our horticulture industry is valued on. And without flowering, there'll be no fruit. What a plant does, a fruiting tree, is over the winter, it detects cold nights. So it's got a little brain in the bud of the plant, and that ticks off the number of hours where it's been really cold. And with the climate crisis, we know that warmer temperatures at night are going to stop that little clock from ticking away, and we won't get flowering. This is a major problem for our fruiting industries. We're using CRISPR gene editing to take out some of those repressors so that the plant is not so sensitive to the number of cold nights that it's experiencing. CRISPR is really cool. It's an enzyme that goes into the cell and it goes and makes a variant in exactly the place you want it to go to. So if you've got a major gene that's stopping flowering, you can get the CRISPR enzyme to make a variant of that gene or destroy the gene completely, and then the plant will flower more often. Breeding, which is crossing one apple with another apple, that produces changes as well, but that's quite slow and it's very random. CRISPR is fast and you know exactly what you're doing. Within the next 10 to 15 years, there will be big changes in temperature, and 10 to 15 years in breeding of a perennial plant, of a tree, is not quick enough. So we really need to use new techniques. We've been using it for about 4 or 5 years now, and we've got plants that are just completely different than what they used to be. Their phenotypes, their characteristics are completely changed by this enzyme. Plants are the key to our response to the climate crisis. They fix CO2 and they feed people. So we need to use new techniques to address that, and plants are the solution.